Welcome to the Niotek. We are your strategic partner for industrial AI and digital twins, committed to transforming your factory operations. Niotek is an Intel partner and solution integrator, highlighting our strong commitment to quality and cutting-edge technology. We offer global presence and proven expertise, empowering manufacturers to adopt Industry 4.0 safely. We have over 16 years of experience, with our global HQ in Egypt and a regional hub in London, UK. Our vision is to be the global benchmark for secure industrial AI, enabling self-optimizing factories with minimal unplanned downtime. Our mission is to bridge the gap between legacy machines and modern technology with scalable digital twin solutions. Our core technology includes the Horus Platform, an intelligent factory OS that provides insight, optimization, and predictive maintenance. The Magna Gateway is an industrial-grade edge device, ensuring zero latency and full data sovereignty. The Horus Modules offer insight for real-time monitoring and operational visibility, optimize for advanced OEE analytics and capacity boost, and predict for AI-driven predictive maintenance and downtime elimination. Our professional services include system integration, seamlessly connecting IT and OT environments. We also offer automation consulting, custom industrial development, and robust OT cybersecurity solutions. We serve various industries, including wire and cable, chemicals, and FMCG and F&B. We also provide solutions for textiles and garments and discrete manufacturing, driving efficiency and productivity across the board. Our proven track record includes an 85% productivity increase in the cable industry and a 40% efficiency gain in accessories manufacturing, demonstrating higher uptime and capacity for our clients. Why Niotek? We prioritize business impact first, guaranteeing rapid ROI. Our Intel-powered and secure solutions ensure industrial edge AI operates at microsecond speeds. Enjoy fast deployment with our true plug-and-play approach. Ready to transform your factory into a smart, high-performing enterprise? Contact us at our global HQ in Egypt or regional hub in London. Visit niotek.net or email sales@niotek.net for more information.